Losses in business, sometimes unavoidable. But we may be able to transfer the risk to someone else or a different business. Now, I'm also going to tell you about how I personally avoided a $1 million loss by transferring my risk. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. I normally upload videos every Monday and Wednesday about investing, personal finance and just business in general in Jamaica. If you want to know, you can also connect with me. I'm on social media. I'm on Instagram at JA_Radcliffe or Twitter at JA_Radcliffe2030. I want you guys to also look out for the ticker in the video, because I'm going to be giving away $10,000 to one lucky subscriber so that they can invest on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. So I'll put a ticker in the video, so look out for it, alright? What you're going to do is, once you find the ticker, you're going to comment the meaning of the ticker in the comments below, as well as the ticker. If you need more information, all of that in the description as well as a link to the giveaway video. Now, right now with COVID in full swing, a lot of businesses are losing a lot of money. But some of the times that we can mitigate some of that losses by pretty much transferring our risk to someone else. So basically today we're going to talk about insurance and how it might be able to save you and your business. Now I know you guys might be saying that right now we can hardly make ends meet, much less we got insurance too. And personally, I believe insurance is a bit expensive and sometimes a big waste of time until you really need it. A lot of you guys know already that I am in the car rental business, and to be driving on the road in Jamaica, your car have to be insured. Now, the type of insurance that you need, you can get a whole heap of different type of insurance. First of all, you can get private comprehensive insurance, third party insurance, and for me, I can get rental comprehensive, rental third party, and if it was even a commercial vehicle, we can get public commercial, private commercial, a whole myriad of different type of insurance coverages. Now, the two that actually apply to me, which is the private comprehensive, rental comprehensive, or the third party policies, comes with their own different costs. If I decided to take out a comprehensive policy, it would be way cheaper than what I'm paying right now for a rental comprehensive policy. But by taking out the regular comprehensive policy, it actually increases the risk that I, as a business owner, face if anything should happen to my rental car on the road. How I look at insurance is basically how much money am I willing to lose by not insuring properly. Now, in the car rental business, if I want a good car to rent, I'm looking at, let's say, about $1 million Jamaican. Now, $1 million Jamaican not even going to get me any top of the line car, It might get me like a 2012 or a 2013 Honda Fit. Nice car, but as you know, it's a small hatchback car. Now, after I just pay my $1 million for my Honda Fit, whether it be a bank loan or my personal cash, my next thought, is, if something happens to this car out on the road, can I sleep properly? Now, if the answer is no, I may insure it a particular way, and if the answer is yes, then I may kind of skimp on it in a sense. Now, as I said before, you have private comprehensive policy and rental comprehensive policy. I can decide to put on a private comprehensive policy on the Honda Fit, but you see, if the insurance company finds out that I am using the car for rental purposes, it void me. And if something happen on the road with that car, me basically have to stomach a $1 million loss, and me can manage a $1 million loss. So it better me put this onto the insurance company to pay if something should happen on the road. Now, I am saying this to you guys to let you know that if it is that you cannot stomach a particular loss in any type of business that you're doing, you can think about insuring it. Now, we might think that insurance is only for cars and houses and all of that. No, insurance goes way further than that. You have insurance like business interruption. If something happens and your business go down, insurance companies will pay you. You have public liability and a lot of liability type of insurance. You have all perils, and the list goes on and on. It just depends on what you as an entrepreneur are willing to pay. Now, the reason I am a big fan of insurance is because when I just started renting cars, I had a particular car that was in my personal name because there was a lien on the vehicle. And because we started to get the rental comprehensive policy, my insurance agent adamant said, listen, you need to change over this insurance to the rental policy. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. At the time, my insurance policy are like almost 2 times the cost of what I pay for this vehicle right now. So, I kind of did a slow play. So, it reached a stage where my agent I say, yo, just change over the policy and don't worry about it. Anything will happen. So, I just say, alright, you know, since I seem so adamant, let me just change over the policy. Now, one thing with insurance, you say if you have a lien for whatever it is that is insured, for example, a house or a car, you as a client cannot cancel the insurance because the mortgagee has an interest in that property being insured. So you can't just cancel it like that. So what I had to do at the time was to call in a few favors and get that car cancelled for non-payment. Because I did open the premium too, because I contemplate if I should cancel it or not. So fine, it cancelled and I put on the rental insurance on it. This happened in about, I think it was September 2018. I actually put on the rental insurance because I say, alright. Since as my agent so adamant, big up yourself, mute. Let me put on my rental policy. Make sure say all of my car them straight and thing. Now, when you look into it still, it will cost me a portion of money because I have to pay for the car on a monthly basis. I have to pay the higher insurance on a monthly basis as well because I can't just pay off that insurance. It's not liquid like that. But I say, alright, I rough it out. Now, this is one of the more popular cars them at the time I will have. And this car just go out and I come, go out and I come, go out and I come. So I'm able for me, it's expensive. So I just call it a day and at that time I'm good. Fast forward to December. Now, when December started, I get bookings for December. So I have whole heap of bookings to that car. But I get 1 and 2, 3 and 4 days down the line. I go on. One day I got a call from a new client saying that they wanted to rent the vehicle for about, I think it was 4 days. And I said, alright, bring the car, go get them. 2 days into this rental, I get a call. Car crash. Crash right off. Everything out of this car mash up. Now, if it is that me never have rental insurance at the time on this car, me I go find it kind of hard to explain to the insurance company how me know this a person and how them come by having my car. With rental insurance, I say to them, I say, listen man, this is a license for a person, it meet all of the criteria of the policy. These are the contract that me and them sign. Say, yo, go ahead and use the car for such and such a time and then pay me. Now, if it is that the car was out there and the regular policy, which I just like less than 3 months, me change this policy and I put it on the rental policy to make sure say, yo, everything covered. If it is still up on the old policy and the insurance company said to me, say, hey, Mr. Radcliffe, you know that this car was being used as a rental because your overall business is a rental business, so we're not going to pay you back this money. My head would have raised, to be honest. My head would have raised. So, me now go able to take my money and pay off the bank without no money coming in. Me not stay so. Me not rich like that. So, it was in this case where me find out say having insurance for whatever purpose was a very good idea. Now, you might not have insurance for cars, or whatever your business be, but you can even possibly insure your inventory. Now, you can insure your inventory, so if water wet it up, if somebody steal it, it does not matter. But if you are not able to lose your inventory as a business owner, then I would recommend trying to get some form of insurance, even if you don't cover the entire cost of your inventory. Get some of it. Insure some of it. Insure, let's say, half of it. So that way, if something should happen, you can get back some money. It might not be tomorrow, because as we know, insurance companies in Jamaica don't really respect small businesses certain way. Because I am a business owner and my car crash, you're going to take 6, 7, 8, 9 months to pay me back my money. But you still want your insurance premium. If the car not work, we can't pay the premium, you know. Done. And the car make the money to pay the premium. But that's just one of the things that we have to work with. Me and no boat we can get back his money in like less than a month when him did crash on the highway. So we have to just work with what we have right now. Depend them back, call them every day and try to get your money out of these insurance companies as best as possible. So what I am trying to say, people, insurance is an option when you want to mitigate some of the losses that you might encounter as a business owner. It might seem a bit expensive at first, but for me personally, you know, if I had lost that car and had to pay the bank over $1 million to clear the loan, I wouldn't be able to stomach that. So the insurance company have to pay off that for me, and all I did was pay a fraction of the amount yearly, and it didn't even cost a year. It actually was only 3 months. So they pretty much collected 1 year worth of insurance premium for me for 3 months worth of work, but me get back my car, or me get back the money for pay back for the car in a sense. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button as well. Click the bell too, so make sure your notification turn on. Once the video them drop, you guys know. And remember, I am not a licensed financial advisor. So you see anything we talk about here, so make sure you talk to your financial advisor before you decide to make any money move. Alright? So until next week, people. Bye-bye.